this evening, weed out people who say they are ESN, who are committing crimes. We are going to mention their names on air now, this evening. And when we do that, because most of them also are being sponsored by people in diaspora. You have to know that. People get people together, I say contribute money. We have, forget about this thing, the US is doing this thing, we have. There is even somebody, he sent somebody said that he raised 25 point something million naira on his own. He was still asking people for 100,000 so that he will buy a jet fighter for the ESN. All those lies. You understanding me? You don't know. You raised 25 million. You raised 25 million naira. Emma say, IPOB didn't see it. You use it and buy them rocket launcher and buy them. Is it not criminals? Criminals everywhere. They are begging. And for that reason, Maze, I am going to start. If people from Osumogu is in Anambra, I want everybody, if you are living in diaspora, if you are living in Biafra land, and if you are listening, a lot of reports have come from Osumogu, even to the hearing of our leader, because some of them think, and all these things started immediately after our leader was arrested. Those things don't happen. That is to show you it was a planned something. There are criminals in these communities. These criminals, they use the name of IPOB because of the respect and the fear people have for IPOB. They go, they bomb people's houses. One of them, we found out that the brother was a criminal. He was killed. And he have a grudges against his community people that they killed his brother, that his brother was a criminal. For that reason, he used the name because ESN and be terrorizing people in Osumogu. This evening, I want to make it the IPOB leadership. The ESN command want to make it very clear to the people of Osumogu that these criminals, they are not ESN. If you see them anywhere, they come and say they are ESN, lynch them. If you have the ability, lynch them. If you don't have the ability, we are going to provide a number after this broadcast for people in this particular area. Some of them, they make calls to you. You record them. We have voice evidence because these criminals did not know. We have been trailing them. After investigation, we found out that these people are not even ESN. They are criminals and they are from the same community from Osumogu people. That is why this evening, if anybody knows who is called Emmanuel, he goes by the guy named Oberago. We are telling Osumogu people that this guy is not an ESN member. And anywhere you see him, if he comes to steal from you, you have the right to kill them. You have the right to catch them. You have the right to do them anything. And we will drop a number for you to call. Anytime some of those things happen, the ESN command in Anambra will come for help. And if we know where they are staying, we are telling you we are coming to dislodge them in a matter of days. We are telling you, if you know you are going by this name, it's better you leave Osumogu today. Because if ESN steps in, you are a dead man. Another person they call Innocent Odieke, he is from Isun Osumogu. Innocent Odieke, he is from Isun Osumogu. He is not an ESN member. He is not IPOB member. Do not believe those people that come to you and ask you they need money for granite. They need money to support them. They need money for food. It is ESN. ESN don't do those things. Another person is Isuchukwu from Amoda Osumogu. Amoda Osumogu. His name is Isuchukwu. these brokers, we are going to list their names. They are not ESN members, and they are the ones why we are not stepping in, because they are from your community. These are your sons. You know them more than ESN. You know their past behavior. You know they were criminals. You know, before the formation of ESN, you know they were criminals in your community. So why is it that now one of them, you kill their senior brother because he's a criminal? So why are you now pointing a criminal towards IPOB when you know their family history? You know who they are. You know why he is coming to attack you people. And you go back and say it is ESN. They tell you that ESN asked you to submit your rifle. Do not submit your rifle. Do not submit any rifle. ESN did never ask anybody to submit their local rifles they are using to protect themselves from the Fulani herdsmen in case of eventuality. There is nothing of that nature. Another person is called Ofodi. They call him Baby. Baby is not an IPOB member. Anybody under IPOB and ESN must be under command. If you feel that you are too big to work under IPOB or ESN, then you find your way and go and do whatever you want to do. Go and do whatever you want to do. These people I have mentioned here from Osumogu, in particular, they are not IPOB members. They are not ESN. These are common criminals that are terrorizing people in their area. Still in Anambra, there is, if this person I'm calling his name, if we hear any nonsense against you, we will mention your full name and we will make sure you are being dealt with. They call you Isioma Inobulis Ihejofo. Isioma Inobuli Ihejofo. Isioma, you are claiming you are an ESN member. ESN does not, we don't invade into people's privacy. ESN anahe ibala. You say you are ESN member, you form a gang in Obulis Ihejofo, settling matters, husband and the wife, orange. You form and interfering in community issues. I get the village and giving them fine. We are telling you from this night, we are telling people in Obuli Ihejofo, anywhere Isioma gathered, saying he is doing anything in the name of IPOB. He coming to settle. You are going to issues, land issues, settling land issues. This is not IPOB. This is not ESN. In the name of ESN. This night is the last warning. The last warning. ESN does not interfere in community issues, how the kingship or how the people with their family or marketplaces. We do not interfere. It is not our duty. It is not our priority. We do not have anything. Isioma, if anybody knows Isioma in Obuli Ihejofo, tell him he opened an office in that place. After this night, if such report appears again in the name of ESN, we are coming to visit you the way you will not like it. I don't know the reason why people with now their own village, your own town, you say you are ESN. In your own town, you say you are ESN. We are not going to accept it. Another people we want to talk to, we are calling all the filling station owners. Please, ESN operatives cannot come to buy petrol in your petrol station and will not pay you. Anybody coming to buy fuel in your, he should pay you. If you have an opportunity, if they don't pay you, they say it is ESN, let us know. You can also call the number we are going to provide and tell us where your filling station is, and the people, they ask they will come another day to buy fuel. We don't condone this nonsense. This is not the Biafra we are looking up to. This is not what we are planning for. This is not what our motives are. This is not the reason we are in this struggle. This is not the reason people died. That you will go to somebody's petrol station, you buy fuel, you don't pay, you say you are ESN, you are a criminal. And we don't want to hear that story any longer within Biafra land. Now, I am going to Olo. I am going to Olo, the whole of Olo. After a thorough investigation, a painstaking investigation by IPOB, M-Branch, and intelligence units, whatever we say here, we have conducted these investigations and found out that these people are using the name of ESN in Olo, attacking people, burning people's house. They will even come inside the house, pack things from your house. I will say there is one they call Ojo and the one they call number one. The one they call Ojo and number one. You people are going to Osumo, to market. Every month, you will go there to collect tax from traders and say it is tax for ESN. Ojo and the number one. You go to Ekoto market in Osumoru, collecting tax levies from our people in the market. You claim you are ESN. I am calling people in Osumoru also. These people are trespassing from Olo into Osumoru, threatening people in another state. And for that reason, we are calling ESN operatives in Anambra Command to make sure that this market is being protected. ESN Command this evening must put operatives who will monitor those who are coming to disturb our people in Osumoru market, collecting levies in the name of ESN. And if you get them, you know what to do to a criminal. And let me make this thing very clear. Every ESN operative operating in any state, you are warned not to trespass from one state to another without the knowledge of that state's commander. Very, very important. You cannot be in Imo State, you trespass to cause problem in Anambra. You return back to Imo State. This is not accepted. Also, Zuma, they say they are giving you returns. Your investigation is not concluded yet. But you can't be Chichi Dodo. You don't eat shit, but you are taking maggots from the shit. Your issue will be handled because we have known you, and the ESN operative will lay their hands on you, and you tell us what you know about collecting this levy in Osumogu market. Again, we are talking about those still terrorizing Olo. Why I call Ojo and number one is because they are operating from Olo into Anambra State, and they go to, they are harassing, they are extending their harassment to Newisa, to Ihiala. And we are saying this thing very clear. You people want to destroy the good name of ESN because from our investigations, your atrocities, your criminalities are leading people in this area to say, if this is the way Biafra will come, we don't want it. And some people are sponsoring you people from diaspora, giving you, tell you, go ahead. Some of you are engaging in kidnapping. in car snatching. The ESN have done a lot of job. There are things I will say here people are supposed to know. The evil these people are committing against us. Last time, I don't want to mention the person's name on air, but we have got a lot of reports. Last time, a very prominent Biafran, his property, his car was moving from that Anambra Nnewi going to somewhere in Akwa Ibom, and you criminals in our road axis, you kidnap, you hijack the car. It took IPOB ESN. When we got that report, men swing into action. We put heat on the ground to make sure that that car was returned to the owner. And that is how we make sure that car was returned to the owner, and the owner is grateful. But what I'm telling the owner is that don't come to us because your car was missing. If you want to support the Biafra struggle, you support the Biafra struggle. Not when your car lost. That is the things we are saying. All of you are big men. You don't want to support this struggle. You think when it will happen, it is coming to. It's coming. We are not, our duty is not to check whose car lost or whose car did not lost. Support this movement. All those crimes, all these petty crimes will stop. It is because in the same community, some of you are supporting those criminals also, using them as thugs. And today they are at loose, committing crimes all over Biafra land. Also, I am talking about one guy they call Ago. 50 Vice. You people are not ESN. You are not IPOB. Last time, those of you I called now, 3 of you, Ago number 1 and Ago 50. Ago 50 and Vice. You people, you snatched a car from a man, threatened him, took 2 million naira from him. When you realize that IPOB operatives were trailing you, you ran back to the man, returned the coup car, and returned his 2 million naira. This is what you people did. And you know that IPOB intelligence was training you people. When you went and snatched that car, that coup from that Biafra, the IPOB intelligence followed you people. You took it and you took 2 million from him. And at the end of the day, IPOB intelligence was trailing you people for a catch. You people quickly went and returned that car and the money to the man. Our duty ESN is not to come and trail you small criminals. Because if we catch you people like you, all of you of that caliber are people that the enemies will use and work against this struggle. Because you don't know what you want. Criminality is what you want. ESN wants to protect the land. We want to protect Biafra. We want to make sure our land is safe. And the other person I'm calling his name this night, you are under also investigation. They call you Sky. We have not gotten a full details of your participation, but you are taking allowances from crime, proceeds of crimes. What I am saying this evening, any IPOB member, any ESN command, that you see these people, we have dispatched their information to different camps within Imo State and Anambra. Make sure these people did not go free because they are trying to dent the name of IPOB. And finally on the list, there is another guy they call Ebanda. You are going about collecting 5,000 naira from Biafra youth in Imo State. That it is a tax from ESN. Mas I get book. Biafra Youth in Imo State, make sure that the number we are going to put, you contact it. Anybody come to take 5,000 naira, say it is ESN levy. You are taking it from youth. They call you a banda. You are not an IPOB member. You are not an ESN member, but you are using the name of ESN to commit crimes. And that we are not going to accept. We are not going to accept those crimes you are using the name of ESN to commit. And therefore, finally, there is also another group. They are NRG. They say they are NRG. RG, I think I'm pronouncing it very well because I'm Monigo. You are writing letters to people. And the coordinator of IPOB, that is why this case is very crucial, is part of this conspiracy. You write letter to people in the community. You say you are ESN RG Command, Biafra Motherland. You are dishing out letter to people to come and pay you people. All their houses will be invaded. And the coordinator, and you are using a traditional ruler for people to go and drop the money with the traditional ruler. You write paper, you write letters to people, threatening them that if they don't bring money. And this Royal Highness, this is Onyoshi Ese Irima, Nonaji, they are using your name. I wonder if you know what you're doing. They write letters. This is criminality. They write letters to people. They tell people, Aji is in Oru West. Aji is in Oru in Imo State. We have copies of the letter you wrote to people threatening them if they don't bring you people money to buy bullets and buy gun, that you are ESN Motherland. We do not have anything called ESN Motherland. Let that be very, very clear. There is nothing like ESN Motherland. And we do not have, ESN do not have any base in IG. You using the name and collect some group of criminals, and you're collecting money from people, threatening them with letters, and they go and drop their money with one essay. You come there and share your proceeds. You're a criminal. These mornings we have dished out this evening. We're not going to repeat it again. A word is enough for a wise. But from now onward, if you know you are a criminal gang in Osumuruhu, in Osihitupa, in Lindu, I saw what the zoo police and army were showcasing today. That is to show you it is not even ESN, because they were talking about people indulging in cannibalism, killing people and eating. Does that show you this is ESN? Now they have understood that the crimes they are committing, that most of them are also political talks by Hopus of the man. About war, internal war, and you want to use the name of ESN to destroy. And those of you using the name of ESN, today, this night, in this broadcast, is the last time you will use the name. We will not call your name any longer. You have looked for our trouble, and our trouble we will give to you. Master Jonathan, I will stop here on mentioning of names and this order given this evening. If you do have any other question to ask me, please go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I will be coming back with more video, more gist, more updates. Bye bye guys. Love you guys.